Yeah, hello viewers, you're welcome to my Tech Guide YouTube channel. I want to thank you so far for staying tuned with us, and I want to thank our viewers for all their feedbacks and information and those that have dropping comments on us. So today we're going to be looking at we're talking about the gadgets, iPhones, replacement screen, batteries, and where to get all these necessary parts. So for many of us that have been looking at places that we can actually get it, so today we're going to be showing us where we can get all these parts for cheap at a very cheap price. You can get it at a very cheap price. So please kindly stay tuned to the end of this video, and don't forget to watch this video, share it, and if you haven't subscribed, please share it. Please kindly do and leave us a comment on the comment box below. So we really appreciate your feedback so far. So if you haven't, this is my Tech Guide, so you can just search for it. And if you have any questions that you'd like us to attend to, just send us a WhatsApp message on this line, plus 2348 137460895, plus 2348 137460895, and you can send us an email on this line. Be glad to respond to it. So you have any email that you want to send to us, send it to this email address. So now to this message. So the first one on the list here is you have sparepartsonline.in. You can see it here. You can see some of the accessories here: iPhone parts, iPhone 7 Plus, iPhone 8 LED, iPhone screen. So let me show it to us. You can see it here. Some of all the screens where you can get it at a very affordable. So the next one here online is, so we have playsbase.co.uk. Let me bring that for us. playsbase.co.uk. So here you're going to see some of the basic things that you need to work it out. Yeah. Comment. Please don't mind what's it called, the images and the display. Just kindly bear with us, and the audio kindly bear with us. So you can see it here. I've just highlighted it here. So here is it. I just highlighted it. Yeah. So that's the second one. So there, the third one here on my list. Actually, this website is actually going to ship your item. So the next one on my list here that we have is let me see here. I'm so sorry. Okay, SEPparts.com. SEPparts.com. So let me bring it here so that we can see it here. So boldly. So you can see it here. Let me just highlight it so you can see it clearly. You can see it here. So this is it here. So SEPparts.com. Yeah, that's the name. So please, if you have any question or any things that you'd like to ask, probably you don't understand, please kindly just drop this in the comment box and we'll reply back to it as soon as possible. So now we have another one here. This one is parts for sale. Parts for sales. So let me bring it down here and highlight it so that it will be bold. You can see it very well. Yeah, we have parts for sale. So if you have any question at all, just send us a message on this WhatsApp line. We're going to respond to it as soon as possible. And please don't forget that we do sell laptops, iPhones, and other gadgets. And probably if you also want to repair it, so just call us on this line. We're going to attend to you. We're always online 24/7, so we're going to respond to it as soon as possible. So, and if you actually want to send us an email, so you can see it here, just send it to techworld@gmail.com, and we're going to respond to you as soon as possible. So from here you can get all the necessary details. So if you have parts for sales, you can just check it out. And if you have any details that you'd like to, any more information that you'd like to gather, just let us know. I'll be glad to respond to it. So that's all for today. And then again, please don't forget, if you have any questions, send us a WhatsApp message, or you can just send us an email, and I'll be glad to respond to you as soon as possible. So please don't forget to refer us to friends and family. And like you always says, we always like to provide solutions through technology. I'm gonna do the best. Stay blessed.